Hello friends! This teaching is relevant to the present period because it relates to your inner strength. The new reality that is emerging before our eyes requires us to be true to ourselves more than ever. We have reached a state of breaking social codes. Human society is changing and we can no longer expect parental support or the state and authorities to solve anything for us. And yet, it is difficult for many of us to break free from the patronage of external factors, trust ourselves, and act according to our inner voice. Ever since childhood, we have been accustomed to looking up to the adults, to get approval and consent for our actions. As adults, we seek approval from the environment about the path we have chosen, our career, our relationships, parenthood, or our creative path. Our instinct of survival always makes sure that we do not lose love and support from the community, that we shall not have to absorb harsh criticism, and therefore many of us find it difficult to make important decisions or take a certain step in life without approval from some authority. In many cases, we seek confirmation of our actions from people who are immersed in their inner dramas, preoccupied with themselves, or driven by personal interests, who do not even know who we really are and what we look like on the inside. And where does it take us? When we ask for approval from the environment and do not trust our inner voice, we bring ourselves to a position of inferiority and insecurity. We forget that we were created in the image of God and that we were given the right of choice to create our own reality according to the will of the soul, and to find our own unique way to fulfill our destiny. Within each one of us, there is a mature voice, a wise, responsible adult. This is our higher self, the soul, which is connected directly to the infinite light. This is the voice that will guide, encourage, and empower us along the way if we just listen to it. Deep down, we know very well how to make things work. If we reduce our dependence on external factors and quiet our self-doubt, we will be able to create a masterpiece, our own reality, in the way that is right for us. The Kabbalah provides us with powerful spiritual tools with which we can heal and rectify any area of life, remove blockages, alleviate decrees, and prosper. These are the 72 names of God. The letter combination ה.ה.ה will help you improve your self-image. It will encourage personal growth, self-esteem, and personal expression. Interested to learn more about the 72 names of God? The full list of the 72 names and their meanings is available for anyone interested. Please click the link below this video, register, and I will send it to you with love. So thank you for being with me, and I will see you in the next teaching.